Starting a business feels overwhelming. Renta, kuryente, sahod ng empleyado, all these weigh down every dream. But then, a new opportunity appears. Isang matalinong paraan. Mobile at flexible
Oh,
to
I
begin.
know, I love it.
From festivals to mga tourist spots sa tabing dagat, her food truck becomes a place of joy and her business starts to thrive. What started as a dream, ngayon tunay na tagumpay. At GMLK Mobility Works, nagbabago kami ng Kia Bongo3 at Hyundai Porter2 para sa iyong biyahe at tagumpay.
At GMLK Mobility Works, we transform Kia Bongo3 at Hyundai Porter2 into food trucks, camping vans, and utility vehicles. Ginawa para sa iyong biyahe at tagumpay. GMLK is your partner, committed to your success. Thank you so much. God bless you.